Verifying your identity on DoorDash is essential for maintaining account security. If your verification fails, follow these steps to successfully complete the process. Step 1. Check your information. Ensure that all the information you provided during the verification process is accurate. Double-check your name, address, and any identification numbers for typos or errors. Step 2. Use valid identification. Make sure you are using a valid form of identification. Acceptable forms typically include a government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Ensure the ID is not expired. Step 3. Take clear photos. When submitting your ID, take clear and well-lit photos. Avoid shadows or glare that could obscure important details. Make sure all corners of the ID are visible in the image. Step 4. Resubmit your verification. After checking your information and ensuring your ID photos are clear, resubmit your verification request through the DoorDash app or website. Follow the prompts carefully to complete the process. Step 5. Contact support if necessary. If your verification continues to fail, reach out to DoorDash support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue and any steps you have already taken to resolve it. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully verify your identity on DoorDash. If you encounter further issues, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.